देशभरात 14 एप्रिल हा राष्ट्रीय अग्निशामक सेवा दिन म्हणून आयोजित केला जातो। यानिमित्त गोवा अग्निशामक दलातर्फे 14 ते 28 एप्रिल या कालावधीत अग्नि सुरक्षा सप्ताहाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले। ही माहिती दलाचे संचालक अशोक मेनन यांनी बुधवारी पत्रकार परिषदेत दिली। 14 एप्रिल रोजी हुतात्मा झालेल्या वीर जवानांना श्रद्धांजली वाहिली जाईल। त्यानंतर गोवा फायर रन स्पर्धेचे आयोजन केले जाईल असं मेनन यांनी यावेळी सांगितलं।
The department again to spread awareness in fire safety awareness in the youth and the citizens. So we started the first edition of the Goa Fire Run last year, and this year will be the second edition of Goa Fire Run 2018. And this year it will be a timed run. So it will be a very professionally managed run, and this will be at 21 kilometers. 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers walk and run. During this run is open for the male and female category, and this year we have requested the 4 schools to participate with children. Our firemen will be participating with their fire gears, BS sets. They will be running for some distance, and we will also have pacers coming from Pune and Bangalore to be a part of this fire run. During the week of the Fire Prevention Week, various fire safety awareness programs have been chalked out by the North Zone fire stations, the Central Zone fire stations, and the South Zone fire stations. A list of the awareness programs, I have got it with me. I will share it with you so that you can do it in the press. And on 14th April, which is the National Fire Service Day, a state function, we will be having at the Goa State Fire Force Training Ground. And here this year, we will be having the latest technological advancement in the firefighting equipments will be displayed here. We are getting robotic firefighting equipments on which will be on robots. We will also have some rescue equipments which will also be showing, and these are the latest developments which we'll be sharing. In addition, the training program for the citizens, the firefighting techniques which we'll be sharing with you as we do every year.
Everybody, this is Nitin Bandekar from the Vasco Sports Club. We are here today at the Goa Fire Department as a part of the second edition of the Goa Fire Run, which is organized by the Fire Department Association with the Vasco Sports Club. This is the second edition. We're going to have the event on the 15th of April, starting from the Fire Department grounds here. We have 3 events, the 21 kilometer, the 10 kilometer, and the 5 kilometers. The 21 and the 10 kilometer is going to be a timed run with timing mats. Starts at 5 in the morning and 5:30 respectively. The 5 kilometers will start at 7:30. We're expecting participations from Goa and outside Goa. We're expecting participations for the 5 kilometers from the schools, from the colleges. We're expecting about 1,000 people in total from all cross categories.